Without Junior Iron Chef.
Without Junior Iron Chef.
Without Junior Iron Chef, I would never have completely fell in love with cooking.
I've discovered that I love cooking more than anything.
I would have never, ever tried mushrooms.
Because of Junior Iron Chef.
I now
have better skills to work in the kitchen.
to make healthier food decisions.
I can cook things that I've never been able to cook before.
I know how to be a good leader.
I know how to cook like different foods.
I have really good friends.
Know how to cook, and I want to do it more. So I decided to do Junior Iron Chef because
I wanted to learn how to cook and compete.
I need some more excitement in my life.
I wanted to know how to cook vegetarian meals.
To sort of step out of my comfort zone.
I really like cooking, and I wanted to make people happy. This is my dream. This is Junior Iron Chef. I love it.